Hi everyone, welcome to EasyTech Tutorial where we bring you the best tech solution. If you want to speed up your website without spending any money, you are in the right place. Today I will show you how to increase your website speed using a free plugin step by step, and I will explain you the key factor affecting website speed. So stay tuned. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to EasyTech Tutorial and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. This is our website. Now at first we check our website speed in Google Page Speed. Open the new tab and search Google Page Speed and click the first link below, and here we will paste our website link. Copy our website link and paste it here and click on analyze. Now here we can see our mobile speed score is 50 and our desktop speed score is 71. We will increase our speed score 90 plus. So let's see how to do it. So for increase our website speed, we need to open our browser and search Airlift. When you search Airlift on Google, you can see this link and just click this link. Now you need to sign up here. Just click on sign up. You will find this website link in the description below. I have already signed up in this site. For that I directly log in here, and when you click on sign up, you can sign up using your Google or your email. So here we will add our website. Just click add site, and here we will add our website link. We paste our website link here and just click on continue. Here have two packages, one for free, one for premium. We will use free package, and if you use premium package then it will cost $99.50 per site. So we no need to use this package now. We just use free plan and click on proceed. After that you will see this page and just click the download option. You can see our plugin are downloaded. Now we go to our website and enter our WordPress dashboard. After come to our WordPress dashboard, we will go the plugin option and add new plugin. Just click here, and here you can see upload plugin. Just click the upload plugin. Now here we will upload our downloaded file. Now I upload it here and click on install now. After install this plugin, just click the activate plugin. Then you will see our website is redirected to this Airlift website. Now this plugin will analyze your website and automatically increase your website speed. Where need to work, this plugin will work in your site. So you no need to do any other thing. You just need to wait for complete this section. After complete this process, you can see your website speed is increased. So we need to wait some time here for complete this process. When this process is completed, then we check our website speed again. We come Google Page Speed page and analyze our website again. Here you can see our website speed now 94 in mobile and 95 in desktop. So it's very easy to improve your website speed without spending any money So finally, a faster website in just a few clicks, completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and drop a comment below. Let me know what topic you want next. Also check out the description for more useful tools and guides. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.